Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to review filter comments on TikTok. So watch this video till the end. First, open up your TikTok app. Then tap on Profile that is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you are on your profile, tap on three horizontal lines that is on the top right corner of your screen, also known as hamburger menu drawer. A menu bar will pop up. Tap on Settings and Privacy. When you land on Settings and Privacy page, tap on Privacy. On Privacy page, tap on Comment from Interactions. On the bottom of your screen, you will see Review Filtered Comments. Tap on it. So that is how you review filtered comments on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.